Everybody, it is your travel agent, David, and today we're going to go check out Circus Circus and look at the casino and see what they have to offer. This hotel is pretty old, so I'm going to see. My expectations are low, but hey, let's go give it a go. to play these games, you have to buy a card. Depending on how much you spend, gives you the however many points. So when you see one of these kiosks right here, that's where you can get your card. You can just tap everything that you want to and be able to play all the fun games you want. So we're in the big top. So if you're looking at it outside, this is the big top. The casino, over 100,000 square feet. And then they're gonna have a trapeze show up here in a little bit as well. So I'm gonna hopefully be here for that. But look how big this is. It's just insane. A lot of fun here. And it doesn't stink. I figured since it was built in 1968 and the first tower was built in 72, that it would just smell like old stale cigarette. But it doesn't. It's actually pretty nice. How cool was that? It looks like every hour and a half hour, so 6:30, 7:30 is when they have their shows. So I don't know if it's the same show all the time every day, but I'm not going to be here for another hour, so we won't know. You have to come and stay to find out.
Just waiting for you.
Kind of odd. I don't know if you saw it or not, but it said that the player must change gun after 3 wins. So if you have any questions about Circus Circus, let me know. I probably wouldn't be opposed to staying here and checking out the rooms anyway. I was looking on some of the reviews. It's actually, a lot of them say the rooms are clean, it's just they feel dated, which the hotel was built in 1968, right? The first tower was opened in 72, so yeah, they're going to be a little dated, but I don't know. I was actually a little bit impressed.